Mi nombre está Gerrit Walters, y razón de conversación aquí está para informar Personanan Aruba que más o menos 3 semanas pasadas me a comprar 2 boletos para Florida, Miami, para Aruba, para pasar pasco en Aruba. Mi boleto estaba para salir Miami día 18 y regresar día 1 de januario, pasando pasco y año nuevo y visco año nuevo a Aruba. Mi estaba más contento con mi por allá 2 boletos barata con Frontier Airlines. Y para mi sorpresa, ave nanga cancelar mi ticket, mi boleto, mi vuelo, sin razón ninguno. Un línea aérea que recién habri vuelos para Aruba está hacia con su pasajero y me está seguro que a mí nota único. Me espera que autoridad en Aruba por investigar Esaki y Aruba Tourist Authority también por qué está pasando con la línea aérea aquí. No a stop de vender tickets para Aruba para día 18, cancelar el vuelo de que está barata. Me está sospechar de cancelar el vuelo barata para poder hacer un rebook antes de pagar más placa.
And right now at noon, travel restrictions tightening up as this new Omicron variant grows all across the country.
New rules went into effect today, and Local 10 News reporter Trent Kelly is live at Miami International Airport.
And I know you have information about all these new changes and what it means for international travelers.
Yeah, a lot to follow here, ladies, but bottom line, starting today, any international traveler arriving here in the United States must show proof of a negative COVID test within 1 day of their departing flight. That's on top of federal officials extending that law, requiring you to continue to wear a face mask while inside the terminal or on public transportation. Those just the latest changes to come as that new Omicron variant continues to spread across the U.S.
I want to travel, so whatever it takes, that's what I'm going to do.
With the highly mutated Omicron variant now confirmed in 17 states, the Biden administration is implementing new rules that will impact all international travelers. Starting today, anyone flying into the U.S. from abroad must show proof of a negative COVID test within 1 day of their departing flight. Before the change, travelers had 3 days to show their negative test. The new rules applying to U.S. citizens and visitors above the age of 2, regardless of their vaccination status.
I think it's a little bit too much, but as a seasoned traveler, I have figured out how to do it and how to get it on time.
Gerrit Walters is from overseas and is a frequent international traveler. While he understands the reason for the new rules, he's worried the tight time frame could cause issues for those whose tests may be delayed.
The main concern is that you do not get your COVID test on time. And it has happened to me that I did not get it on time and I missed a funeral.
It comes as officials also extend the federal mask mandate, with the TSA tweeting, quote, "The face mask requirement for traveling through airports and on planes has been extended through March 18, 2022. Our officers checking travel documents will request travelers temporarily lower their face mask to verify their identity." As experts continue to monitor the spread of Omicron, they stress the best way to protect yourself is to get vaxxed and boosted.
If everybody play their part in making sure we get vaccinated, then hopefully it'll make its way and get out of here.
And for the very latest on these new travel requirements and how they could impact your next trip abroad, we have all of that posted for you on our website. That's at local10.com. For now, that's the latest live from MIA. I'm Trent Kelly, Local 10 News.